Here's a weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Paducah. I'm Rick Shanklin. Here's a look at our total rainfall that we have forecast for Tuesday and Tuesday night. So you can see here a sizable rainfall event. Looks to be shaping up for our region. Ground is already saturated from the recent snowfall and also from the rainfall we had over the weekend. So this will add to that. While the amount's generally not enough across most of the area, we do have some concern as you move southeast across western Kentucky with rainfall amounts there forecast above 3 inches. So we'll have to watch that closely for any potential areas of flooding, at least minor flooding possible in some areas of western Kentucky as we progress through this event Tuesday and Tuesday night. Beyond that, our concern transfers to heavy snow and sleet for Wednesday and Wednesday night, and because of that, we've issued a winter storm watch for Wednesday and Wednesday night. Wednesday morning, we expect any rain to change over to sleet and then to snow, with the exception possibly across the north where we may just see snow. Sleet amounts actually could be quite significant across the southern part of our region, basically the Missouri Boot Heel, well, south of Poplar Bluff all the way across western Kentucky, at least the southern half of western Kentucky. So we'll have to watch that. That certainly could change, could even extend further north, the sleet concern, but it will transition to all snow as we progress through the day Wednesday, and heavy snow again is forecast for our region Wednesday and Wednesday night. In fact, as temperatures drop Wednesday morning, and this is a look at temperatures projected by one of our forecast models for 6 a.m. Wednesday, you can see across southern Illinois already into the around 20, into the lower to mid 20s across southeast Missouri, southern Illinois, increasing to the 30s across western Kentucky and above freezing across much of western Kentucky at 6 a.m. Wednesday. However, that changes pretty quickly as we progress through the morning hours, and in fact, at least for this model, which is pretty close to our official forecast, what we have by noon Wednesday is temperatures in the teens, upper teens at least across the northwest half of our region, and even into the mid 20s across the very southeast part of our area of coverage, like Christian and Todd County, Muhlenberg County by noon Wednesday. So certainly any precipitation that falls Wednesday morning will be transitioning from rain to sleet and then to snow. And here's a look at our total snowfall and sleet forecast for Wednesday and Wednesday night, ranging from an inch or two across the north to 6 to 8 inches across the south. And actually the green that you see across western Kentucky is 8+ inches. So we'll have to watch closely. Certainly once the event unfolds, it probably will vary from what we have forecast here, but this is how we see it as of late Monday afternoon, Monday evening. So what will the impacts be? Well, we have some concern again for flooding of roads in low-lying areas across mainly western Kentucky. Could extend a little bit further north, conclude the Missouri Boot Heel adjacent areas into extreme southern Illinois. But right now the main concern is across western Kentucky. We don't see any major flooding at this point, but we will have to watch the event as it unfolds, and if we get some more banded areas of rain or convection moving across the area with brief downpours, that could certainly add to the aggravation, along with any melting snow, and certainly the remainder of the snow, except for where it's been graded into piles, will melt as we progress through the day Tuesday. So that would be the concern mainly for Tuesday, and then for Wednesday, of course, with the wintry precipitation developing and likely becoming heavy through the morning and certainly into the afternoon, travel problems will very likely develop across much of the region and continue, unfortunately, through week's end with high temperatures on Thursday only expected to be into the mid or upper 20s at best, and then falling mostly into the single digits, record lows in the single digits for Thursday night before a warming trend starts on Friday with temperatures above freezing Friday in the mid to upper 30s and then increasing into the 40s by late in the weekend and early in the new week. So that's the good news, but lots of active weather before then. Stay tuned. Check our website for the very latest updates. Thank you for tuning in.